Welcome back to another platform tutorial for the Plum Shop. Today I'm going to give an overview of the dashboard, how to launch a project, and how to view your results. Once you log on, you will see this page. This is the home page. From here, you can view projects, view favorites, and also explore different areas of the marketplace. You'll be able to request custom work, repeat past work, view the marketplace, as well as view your order history. But let's jump into how we find a product. I'm going to use the Marketplace button to find all the product offerings on the marketplace. When you're on the marketplace, there's a lot of different ways to find a product, but I'm going to be looking for an audit today, so I'll be clicking the Audits button. As you can see from this Audits page, there's a lot of different products to choose from. Out of all these products, you can see the price per response or location listed above, and I'm going to choose the item checkup for this example. On every product page, you'll see details about how much it costs, what you're going to get, and how that product is going to work. To build a product out, simply click Get Started. The first thing we do in this builder is choose where we're sending shoppers. You can either use a store list provided by us, or you can upload your own. Be sure that the store lists you upload, or if you use our store list, that you're selecting the correct stores. The next step is choosing start and end dates. On the last page, you're going to give us all the additional details that we're going to need to know in order to complete the project on your behalf. This can be item and category details, it can be helpful photos, and it can also be a handful of questions you're looking to ask shoppers within the store. You'll also be able to choose the number of responses you want, which correlates to how many stores we're going to visit or how many trials we're going to drive. You'll be able to see the real-time pricing portrayed in the bottom of the screen. Finally, we get to the checkout page. This is where you can make sure all the details are correct, choose how you want to pay, and launch your program. Once you launch, it goes to our team and we double check to make sure everything's filled out correctly, and we send it live to the field. Once this is live, we'll start to collect responses from the field, and then once those are checked by our quality control team, we'll quickly upload those live into your dashboard. This is the dashboard results page where you'll be able to view the results. Clicking on the View Results button will bring up the results from one of your projects. This is an example of the dashboard and results page. You can add filters. If you have multiple projects rolled up in one, you can select those. You can see the start and end dates, the number of responses collected, and then you can look through photos, breakdowns, and summaries available below. Based on the project, we also visualize the different responses that are collected, as well as showcase the photos that were collected in the job. And of course, you can click the Downloads dropdown and drop down the raw data file, a PDF, or the images. But that is a quick overview of how to launch your first project and then view the results. If you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to reach out in the bottom right-hand corner where we have our live chat feature, or you can email us using hello@plumshop.com. Thank you for shopping Plum.